We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2015 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. This one is in vivid black. We have dual disc brakes in the front, engine guards with highway pegs, floorboards for the rider, and pegs for the passenger. This has the 103 cubic inch engine, locking saddlebags, nice little luggage rack, and it also has the quick disconnect options on this as well. Some nice detailing on the rear turn signals. Has the shorter antenna. Heel toe shifter. Taller chrome handlebars, smoked windshield, and some really nice pinstriping on the front fairing. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.